You will earn more than 90% of Hamster Kombat Farmers if you can do this simple task. Guys, in this video, I'll be showing you and explaining to you 5 top strategies that will make you to make more or earn more than 90% of Hamster's Farmer. And the number 5 strategy is the best one and the simplest, and you can't afford to miss it. Okay, to go on, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that when next I publish video content, you'll be the first to get notification and you catch the offer. Let's get started. Now, Hamster Kombat is about listing. They'll be listing on the 26th of September, and you have to do all you can do, all it takes for you to earn more in a legal way or in a way that they are compliant with their rules and regulations. Okay, so what are the 5 strategies that you need to perform on daily basis now to be ahead of 90% of farmers? The first one is daily reward. Okay, so on my screen now, you can see this daily reward. You go to daily reward and you click on. Now I've already clicked on week 1. When you click on it, you will earn some hamster coin or hamster point. The hamster point will be added to your point, and this will automatically increase the number of points that you have, and you can purchase more cards. Okay, so that is the first thing that you need to do. The second strategy is daily cipher. This is daily cipher. So the daily cipher is a symbol, is some symbol, a set of symbols that you are expected to click, and when you click on those symbols in a way, then when you draw it on this red cyclic space, when you click on it, when you draw it there, then it will form a word, and that word you'll be qualified to earn 1000 hamster points. Okay, so I'm going to show you the symbols or the words that you are supposed to use, that are supposed to use for this daily cipher for today, and the symbol or the drawing that accompany it. Okay, let's go to the CoinDollar community. This is the CoinDollar community, and it has both WhatsApp and Telegram. You can find it and join. Okay, so this is this new Morse code. Okay, and you can see that it is register. Okay, so the first one R, it means you put dot dash dot. The second one is E, which is only dot. The third one is G, is dash dash dot. The next one is dot dot, which is I. The next one is S, which is dot dot dot. The third one is T, which is dash. The next one E, which is dot. The last one is dot dash dot. Okay, let's do the first one as a practice. So you are expected to do everything until you spell the word, and you'll be qualified for 1000 points. Dot dash dot. Okay, so to bring it, so this example of how to do it, do everything, and you will qualify, you earn 1000 points of hamster point. Okay, so the next one is daily combo. So the daily combo is a combination, it's usually 3 cards, a combination of 3 cards that you are expected to select to buy. After purchasing this card, most times the hamster point you spend in purchasing this card is less than the number of points that you earn. So after purchasing the 3 cards, you earn 5 million points, hamster points. Okay, so I'm going to show you the combination that we have for yesterday. Okay, so this is the combination we have for yesterday: CEO, 10 global ranking, and crypto farming. So let's go to hamster and see which one we can get. Look at this one. Okay, so let's go to and see if we can crypto farming. So this is crypto farming. So we'll click on it and buy it. So you can see. So I've been able to buy. So that's how you do for the 3 until you are able to buy and you earn 5 million tokens. Okay, so the next one is the daily. Okay, so that is the daily combo. So the next one is a mini game. The 4th strategy is the mini game. So the mini games is a collection of games, just like a platform where you have different games. Now the first one, which is the 4th one, is the puzzle game. So this puzzle game, it's it is a game like that has a key, and you are expected a key and some candle, and you are expected to move that key outside to the right side of the space of the rectangle or the square. Okay, so I'll show you how it is being played with this. So now with this, your time starts and you have just 1 minute to do this. Okay, let's see what we can do. Okay, let's see what we can do. So this is how you do it. You play it until you are done playing it. And so although the best way to do it is to watch a video. This is the video. We have the video on Telegram group. So this is the video. You watch the video and you can see. Okay, watch the video first. After watching the video and you understand the steps, then you can follow the video and play it, and you will certainly be given the coins, the point, the hamster. So all you just need to do is to create a space and move the key out. So when you are done, you'll be given a key, this key. Okay, so that is the fourth strategy that you need to implement. You need to perform. You can see that they are not very complex. They are simple tasks. You need to perform this and you will be eligible for points. Okay, so the last one, which is the fifth strategy, is the hexa puzzle. Okay, the hexa puzzle is relatively new, and okay, so this is how to play it. You are given a colored a different colored of an object, and you are expected to play it. And if you put the same object, okay, the same color in the same place, and like close to each other, it will combine. And once it climbs to a level, you earn some points. Okay, I will demonstrate to you how it is being played. So let's start with this. And then next is this. The next one is sticks. Okay, so let's say next one is sticks. Okay, yeah, you can see it will add up. This to add up. Okay, I want to play so that I can earn, so that you see how I earn this. So this is so for this, you can see I've earned. Okay, so this is how you keep playing. You keep playing until you earn. Until you earn. So whatever you earn will be added to the hamster points that you have accumulated so far. Okay, so this is simply how to play this game. Just put them close to each other and it will combine. Once it gets to a certain level, you will earn. Okay, this is simply how to do it. Okay, so guys, okay, like you want to exit now, they will tell you claim. This is the amount that I earn. I've claimed it, then I'll go back to homepage. Okay, guys, these are the simple 5 strategies that will help you to be ahead. Now, the beauty of it that as you come online, whatever you do is recorded. So this strategy will help you to be ahead of 90% of people, and will help you to make more money, more dollars, more USD than the rest of the pack. Okay, guys, so to get the link to join to start farming Hamster Kombat, it's not too late. They are listing on 26. You can see double up. Check the description section and you see the link to start farming, and also to join the consular community. They will give this code, hamster code. Kindly check the description section. You will find our Telegram and WhatsApp community. Join. Also subscribe to this channel. Okay, like and share with others. Do you have a specific questions to ask regarding Hamster Kombat? If you have, kindly drop it on the description section and I will attend to it.